Now let's check with one more example in prototyping. So as you can see here, we have quiz here in Figma where you can have some different questions, and one is a result, and also we have a main page for quiz. So we need to do prototype for these screens, and now we are going to use open overlay for this type of prototype. So let's see how we can create prototyping for these screens. So as you can see here, I'm just changing from design to prototype and then clicking on this start quiz now and then navigating these to the second screen. And here on tab, I'm just navigating to question 1, and also the animation will be dissolved, which means when I click on this start quiz now, I will be navigating to question 1, which is a second screen, and it will be in a dissolved mode. And now I would like to add an open overlay on this option C, which means when I click on this option C, then I will be showing this as an overlay where you can change this navigate to open overlay, which means that will be overlaid on this screen. And also I'm just using these two manual so that I can see in this preview. Now let's check this. Once you are done with this adding this overlay, after the delay, which means I would like to change to second question, which means from here option C, I would like to navigate these to this second question, and also changing on tab to after delay, which means after delaying some 800 milliseconds, I'm going to showcase the second question. So let's see how it works in this preview. So this is the preview of my prototype. When I click on the start quiz now, it will showcase me the first question. Now I would like to answer this question. So when I click on this option C, it was correct. So the question has been navigated to second question, and also the updates has done with the points, and it will be the second question. Now let's check with this in Figma. So here I am in the second question. Now I would like to change this option A to this false option, which means when I click on option A, it will be false, and also we need to navigate it to this, and the overlay will be manual, and the option A is false, so I would like to navigate this to the third screen, which is third question. So I'm just changing it to here, and here also I'm just changing this on tab to after delay, which means after 800 milliseconds the second question will be turned to third question. Now let's check this in preview. Now we are in the second question, and now I'm going to check on this option A, and it is false, so this will be navigated to third question, and also it hasn't updated here. Now I'm going to check this option B and changing this to here, and on tab I'm navigating this from here to open overlay, which means that will be shown in this overlay, and also from center to manual, you can change it to manual. Okay, then option B will be navigated to the result, which is on delay, it will be shown with these options with have 800 milliseconds delay. So let's check this in preview. So in the third question, when I click on B, it will be shown as correct, and we are going to show him result. So let's check the same in a preview mode from the starting itself. So to reset this, I'm just clicking on R to reset this entire prototype. So now I'm just clicking on this start quiz now, and also where I can see the questions. Here I would like to click on this option C, which is correct, and then the question will be navigated to second question, and here I'm going to check this option A, and it's wrong, so that will be navigated to third question. And here I'm going to check this option B. Here the answer is right, so we are going to show him the result. So this is how we can make a prototype with open overlay in Figma.